In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a donut chart in Microsoft Excel. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along easily and build your chart in just a few moments. A donut chart is a useful way to show how different categories contribute to a whole. It's similar to a pie chart, but with a hole in the center, which gives it a cleaner look and can make it easier to read in some cases. To get started, open your Excel file. Make sure the worksheet you want to work with is visible and locate the data you want to turn into a chart. Usually this will include category names and their corresponding values. Before inserting the chart, take a quick look at your data and confirm that it's organized clearly, because neat data makes chart creation much smoother. Next, highlight the data you're creating the chart for. This step is important because Excel uses the selected range to build the visual automatically. Once your data is selected, go to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, look for the chart options and find the button labeled Insert Pie or Donut Chart. Click that drop down and then choose Donut. As soon as you select it, Excel will generate the chart for you. You'll now see a donut chart that represents each category's share of the total. This type of chart is especially helpful when your goal is to compare parts of one complete set rather than showing trends over time. Here's how to understand what you're seeing on the chart. Each slice represents a category from your selected data. The size of each slice depends on its value, so larger values create larger sections of the donut, while smaller values create narrower slices. When you look at the full chart, all of the slices together represent 100% of the total. That means the chart is showing how the total is divided among your categories. If your chart doesn't look quite right, the first thing to check is whether you selected the correct data range. In many cases, simply reselecting the data and reinserting the chart solves the issue. Also, make sure your values are numerical, because Excel needs numbers to calculate the proportions correctly. And that's it. You've successfully created a donut chart in Microsoft Excel. Once the chart is inserted, you can continue customizing it if needed, but the basic chart is now ready to use.